Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this episode we are going to be speaking about what is mediumship. Mediumship as a terminology is thrown around on this earth plane, and there are many different diluted understandings of what mediumship is. So by the end of this video, you, my friend, are going to have a good understanding, an understanding that will serve you. If you're new to the platform, welcome, and to all of the long-term viewers, welcome back. If you do have any questions, these videos are for exactly that. Sharing is caring. Get it down in the comment section below if you have something that you would like me to do a video on. First of all, what is mediumship? Mediumship is an act in which a human being will gain and ascertain information by the spirit world using their clair abilities. Clair abilities, a lot of you may not fully believe this, and a lot of you might think, what on earth is he going on about? But as a human being, you have what are called clair abilities built into you. It is sort of like an extrasensory, well, it is an extrasensory perception, but I was trying to give an analogy for it. It's an extrasensory perception that each and every human being have. What one human being has, we know all human beings have. Therefore, each and every one of you can become great mediums. It's hard, isn't it? Because when you're coming into mediumship, it's one of those things where it seems like everything's against you. You want to give so much, but it seems you get so little in return for your time, your effort. Trust us, I know exactly what it feels like. I mean, my journey with the spirit world, it's been one of triumph, tribulations, and also, when I started doing these videos, when I started working with spirit, I had an afro. I didn't. But you can get what I'm saying, even for people like myself, and that's not me speaking egotistical, but that's me speaking to you as a person, as a friend. We get frustrated too. Teachers of mediumship get frustrated too, because there isn't just one rule fits all. For myself, when I'm trying to think of these practices and put these sorts of things in place to help each and every person, you've got to understand where the frustration comes in from our point of view as a teacher. For a student, it's quite difficult to learn. So it is a teacher's sole responsibility, I believe, to make it digestible and easy to understand for everyone, not just a specific group, not just a specific person, to make it universal. Mediumship can, when it is done correctly, can be a great aid. It can be a great tool. It's mesmerizing and fantastic all of the same when you see and receive evidence from the afterlife. Now, I don't mean just little bits. I mean evidence. Okay, this is where the first misconception is going to come in from everyone. When we speak about mediumship, there's a lot of people who claim to be mediums, self-acclaimed mediums. And when they start giving evidence to an individual, it's not evidence. It is not evidence. It is not helping that person. It is not giving them anything to do to action. And this is where it's going to be difficult for each and every one of you. This is the first stumbling block you're going to have to come to. You're going to have to think what it is that you want to do. Why do you want to do it? Do you want to do it to try and look cool? Do you want to do it because you want to help people? Do you do it because you want to be a medium? Because you want to work with the spirit world? All of these are right, but you need to know at the very, very beginning of this what it is that you want to gain out of mediumship. This is going to allow you and enable you to come into mediumship with a clear mind. It's going to give you that drive, that passion, that engagement to be able to push through when times get tough. Mediumship is an act in which the spirit world, using your clear senses, they are going to give you downloads. They are going to send you energy, little bursts of energy. To put it into perspective a little bit easier, okay, you can think of the spirit world as being energy, because that's exactly what they are. We can prove in this day and age that we live that scientists to this day still can't destroy energy, which is absolutely amazing for mankind. I'm not going to lie. But if we could destroy it, we probably would, because human beings as a species, we have alter egos. We are a species that likes to dominate. When there's something that we don't understand, we like to understand it by destroying it. If we can't understand it. And the spirit world will never be fully understood by man. Why? because the spirit world don't need to be understood by man. That is our requirement. We want to know what the spirit world are. The spirit world don't need us to know. This is another thing that you have to remember. Mediumship, when it is done correctly, you will gain information from the spirit world, but it won't be what you want to hear. It is going to be what you need to hear in those moments. So when a medium receives information from the spirit world, they are going to use their clear senses. You can effectively think of it like this, the spirit world are showing me. If you have a torch, and I was sat here with a torch, and I was shining that torch up into the sky, this is effectively that pure white raw organic matter that is going straight up into the sky. This is you searching for the spirit world. When you want to work alongside of the spirit world, this is something that you are going to start doing in your everyday practices. You are going to start looking for the spirit world. And in all fairness, the spirit world aren't in the sky. They're omnipresent. They're all around. We're like the air that we breathe. Although you may not see it, an abundance of scientific equipment can prove of the energy realm's existence, which is absolutely awesome. And go and check it out. You'll see what I'm saying. This isn't just something that I'm saying into the YouTube bot that's watching. It's a fact. Energy is all around us, and what we want you to do is to be able to understand how you as an individual can start to work with that energy. Energy is amazing. It's in abundance. There's enough for everybody. The problem is some, small-minded individuals don't want everyone to be able to do this. Some people don't want you to be able to contact your loved ones. Why? Because they can generate profit from you. Now, that's not to say it's wrong what they're doing. Let's be completely honest. Every profession in this life, every profession, you should get your just reward. For example, if you are a mechanic and you spend 15 years of your life, then you should be paid to fix cars. If you are a medium and you can deliver evidence, then you should be rewarded for that. It's an exchange of energy. So whilst I'm not putting people down for taking payments, you can see why it's a lucrative market, why it is more so they don't want you to do it. You can see what I'm saying? It's not that they're nasty people, they're making a living. Hats off to them, There's a lot worse things they could be doing. As long as they are given evidence. My boundary line stops there. When somebody's taking payment and they aren't delivering that information, that's where we are here to change things, because we are going to highlight these people. Not these people in a negative way, because I don't get involved with that. Listen, that's not me. Couldn't care less, okay? But by educating the populace, we can ensure that when people are performing shoddy practices, you become fully aware to them. So mediumship, to wrap it up, it is an art in which each and every one of you can communicate with the energy. It's about showing you how to use your mediumistic abilities, those clear abilities. It's so exciting. It's great. A lot of you will already be using some of your clear senses, clear empathy, your clear sentience. You're going to be using your clear cognizance. Little bit more or less for the clairvoyance side of it. It does take a time to refine. Clairaudience, a little bit more difficult. But each and every one of you can do it, is the point I'm trying to make. And I promise each and every one of you, given the opportunity, I can not just help you to connect with the spirit world, we will help you to overcome all of the hurdles along the way. So I think I'm going to bring that video to an end there. I hope now you have an understanding of what mediumship is as a term, because I know it's very diluted. There's lots of different people's notions and theories when mankind interject. Fun fact, I don't watch any, I do not read mankind's literature. I do not need mankind's theories, notions, or practices. Everything that I give to you is organic, straight from the spirit world. I don't rehearse this, I don't practice this, so it's one of those things where, if you found this channel and if you're this part of the video, remember to smash the like button, and thank you for watching this far. And let me know if there's anything else that you want to see, if there's any questions you've got. And if you did like this video, remember to check out the videos that are going to be pinned at the top left and right. And until the next time, bye-bye for now.